Hey everybody, we're going to do a short video today about removing all your content from Facebook. So there's a couple of ways to get rid of your Facebook account. You can just do the, sort of the official vanilla version where you go to Facebook and you delete your account through through the official means of doing so. Uh, but then, we've all heard stories. You delete your account, they keep all your account info, they don't really delete it. So the other way, which is what we're going to discuss today, you can use the Redact app and actually go through, pull all of your content using the app, and actually delete that content. Um, really go through and literally delete the content before you delete your Facebook account. So that way, when you delete your Facebook account, the content is actually gone before you do the official Facebook deletion. Um, so there's no chance of them holding on to your information and keeping it around. So I'm just going to go through, make a quick video today about that, how to use the app to get that done. Download Redact if you don't already have it. The download link will be in the description of this video. Install it and then open it, and you will be presented with this screen. Obviously, we're doing Facebook, so go click over there where you see Facebook, and you will be presented with this screen. This is basically all your options. Well, first of all, this is your options for posts and comments. So this is the tab where you can choose all the settings to find and remove your Facebook posts and your Facebook comments. There's also tabs for likes, tags, friends, and then there is a tab for business posts. So if you have like a business page. So really we're just going to focus on these four today. So anyway, the first screen you get to, this is your date ranges, and the default date ranges are selected to find content from all time. So assuming we want to delete all of our Facebook content that we've ever made from all time, we're just going to leave these default settings selected. Don't change those at all, and then go ahead and scroll on down. These are all settings. Filter by post type, so we want to make sure all these are selected. Posts, stories, and comments. Filter by post location, my timeline, the posts you've made in groups, other people's posts on your timeline, and posts you've made on others' timelines. So we're going to make sure all four of those are selected. Keywords to delete, we're going to leave this empty because this will segment your content down based on keywords, which we don't want to do, because again, the purpose of this video is how to remove all of your content from Facebook. So this would sort of go against that whole premise. So we're going to leave nothing. We're not going to add any keywords to this box. Filter by attachment, we're going to select all these links, videos, images, and even posts you made with no attachments, like comments or just text posts. Filter your text content, so we want to have both of these checked. So that'll include images, videos, that kind of stuff. It also will include text-only posts. So make sure both of those guys are checked. I'm going to go down here, keywords to preserve. Again, this is the same as this in the sense that we're not going to put anything in here because we want to target everything. We don't want to segment your content in any way. We want to do sort of a bulk removal or a dragnet effect where we find and remove everything. So don't put anything in there. Only delete sponsored. Doesn't pertain to 99% of people, so just make sure that's not clicked. Most people can just ignore this. And then finally, you come down here, and these are your deletion options. So preview mode. This will just let you see what's about to be deleted. It'll bring up a screen that'll show you all the content that the Redact app found that's about to be deleted, just so you can see it before you delete it, just to make sure you really want to get rid of it. But assuming you are about to delete your Facebook account, preview mode might not really be important. You might just go ahead and skip to deletion mode. I'd like to also point out that you can download a copy of your Facebook data to your hard drive. If you just search Google for download my Facebook data, it'll bring up the Facebook page. And Facebook actually allows you to download all your content to your hard drive. So maybe you could do that before you delete, just so you'll have it on your hard drive, and it saves your pictures and all that stuff. So if you don't, you don't necessarily want to delete everything. There could be stuff in there that you want to keep, pictures of friends, family, whatever. Um, but in any case, like I said, preview mode shows you what's about to be done in deletion mode. So if you're comfortable with everything you see in preview mode, you can go to deletion mode and you click start deleting, and it'll just start deleting your content. So the thing is, that is only for posts and comments. After you're done with that, you got to come over here to your likes, and then basically we run through the same thing, and this will find and remove all of your likes over the years on Facebook. And the settings for likes is pretty much the same way. We're going to leave the date settings to all time. You're not going to enter anything in the keywords boxes. You're going to make sure that all the post types are always checked. Again, don't enter anything in here. And again, you can ignore this, and then you go through the same process and you delete that batch of content. Once you're done with that, you come back to the main screen, then you can go over to tags. Again, repeat the process, make sure that all the post types are checked, make sure you don't ever enter anything in the keywords boxes. Scroll down, again, do the whole thing, preview, delete, whatever you're comfortable with. When that's done, you scroll back to the top, go back to your friends. Now you're on your friends tab. Don't enter anything in there, don't enter anything there, and this will remove all of your friends. So again, you can do the preview mode. If you're comfortable with what you see, do your deletion mode, start deleting. And once you go through these 4 tabs doing that, you have effectively removed every bit of content from your Facebook account. That includes images, videos, likes, comments, posts, text posts, like really everything. Your Facebook account, after you go through these 4 options here, your Facebook account should be completely empty and void of any content at all. And then once you're done with that, then you can go to the official Facebook account deletion option. If you just search Google for delete my Facebook account, it'll give you, should take you to the official Facebook page where it walks you through the steps to remove your account. And so now when you go to remove your account through the official channel on Facebook, you can do so knowing that all your private data, all your pictures, all your information has already been deleted by Redact. And now on top of that, you're also going to delete the account itself. So it's a very thorough, you can't get any more thorough than this when it comes to deleting your Facebook account and your Facebook content. So I hope this is going to be helpful to some people. It's a pretty straightforward process. Again, if you don't have Redact, I'll put it in the description and you can download it and give it a try for free. And that's it. I hope this video helps. Everybody take care and have a great day.